So we're going to be just starting off with a little bit of a review. Just start off something simple. So go ahead and add these two fractions together on a piece of paper. We're just warming up our brains right now. And thumbs up if you have an answer. All right, someone raise your hand. What answer do we get from 3/4 plus 3/4? Bella, what did you get?
6/4.
6/4. How did you know it was 6/4?
Because 3 plus 3 is 6, and then denominator stays the same.
Awesome, right? Did we have to change our denominators at all, or were they already the same?
They were already the same.
So was it like way easier for us to do it that way? Awesome. Okay, thumbs up if you got the same answer. 3/4 plus 3/4 is 6/4. Okay, and of course we can show this through some sort of diagram, right? If I have my whole broken up into fourths, and right here there's 3, and right here there's another 3, well, I can just go in and count these to see how many there are total. Here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I would have 6/4 total. Okay. Now let's try one that is maybe not so simple for us. Go ahead and see if you can solve. Okay. Take a second to try and solve this. And then thumbs up if you have an answer. All right, go ahead and raise your hand if you have an answer that you would like to share with us. Leia, let me unmute you. What did you get?
So since like the top, the numerator, like you
So
don't.
the numerator, you mean the number on the top?
Yeah.
Okay, so the numerator.
You're not supposed to just add that. So first go to the denominators.
Uh-huh.
You have to multiply 6 times 3, which is 18. That's the denominator.
Uh-huh. So you're telling me to multiply this fraction right here by 3?
Well, the two denominators, which is 18.
Oh, so you want me to multiply this by 3 to get 18, right?
Mm-hmm.
Of course, what I do to the bottom, do I also have to do it to the top?
Yeah.
I do, right? So I'm going to do the same to the top. So I'm going to multiply that by 3. Thumbs up, everyone sees what I'm writing. Okay. 2 times 3 is what?
2 times 3 is 6.
6. Good job. So Leia went first. She changed this fraction into having a denominator of 18. Leia, what was your next step that you took?
Do the same to the next fraction.
Okay, so with this fraction over here, if I do the same, do you mean also multiply this by 3, or what do you mean by do the same?
Multiply it by 6.
Why 6?
Because like in Mobymax, it's had to combine the same kind using that technique.
Awesome, right? So over here, she multiplied it. In this one, she multiplied it by this denominator. Does everyone see how she did that? in this case over here, she's multiplying it by this denominator. So 3 times 6 is what, Leah?
18.
18, right? Do they now both have a denominator of 18?
Yeah.
Awesome. And what you do to the top, of course, what you do to the bottom, you have to do to the top. What is 1 times 6, Leah?
6.
6. So she ended up getting 6 eighteenths plus 6 eighteenths. I'm going to rewrite this so it's a little bit neater. She has 6 eighteenths plus 6 eighteenths. Okay, what is your total now, Leah?
My total is 12 eighteenths.
12 eighteenths. Was this the only denominator Leah could have used? I'm seeing her answer is correct. She did a great job. Great job, Leah. But there was more than one way she could do it. Kyler, how did you do it? Let me unmute you. Okay, Kyler, how did you do it?
So I added 3. I had 2 6 and 1/3.
Awesome.
So I times.
So you had 2 6 plus 1/3, right?
Yeah.
Okay. What did you do?
I times the 3 by 2 to equal 6.
Oh, interesting. So you're telling me you changed this one by multiplying the bottom by 2?
Yeah, I do these things that my mom taught me. So
yeah. This is awesome. So what did you get?
And then
multiplied 3 times 2?
I got 6.
Nice. And then what was your next step?
I times the 1 on the top by 2.
Nice. Just like this.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then that equals 2.
Got 2. Are our denominators now the same?
Yes.
Can we add 2 6 plus 2 6 easily?
Yeah.
What did you get when you added 2 6 plus 2 6?
4/6.
Nice job. Thumbs up if you also did it this way. Okay, awesome. Both are correct, right? Because what are we noticing about these two fractions? Does anyone notice about what Leah's answer was and what Kyler's answer was? What are we noticing about these two fractions? Great, nice job, Kyler. Jackson, what do you notice about these two fractions?
So 4, if you multiplied 4 by 3, you'd get 12.
Ooh, hold on, Jackson, because you're saying some good stuff right now. Let me erase all this, but I don't want to erase the whole screen, so give me a second. So right here we have Leah's answer, right here we have Kyler's answer.
Yes, so
I'm going to write Kyler in red, 4 6, and then Leah got 12 eighteenths. Jackson, what are you noticing about these?
So if you times 4 by 3, you get the 12.
Oh.
And if you multiply 6 by 3, then you get 18.
Oh. So what word do we use that we can say about 4 6 and 12 eighteenths?
They're equivalent.
Oh, nice job, Jackson, right? They're equivalent. They're the same answer, just written in different ways, but they equal the same amount, so are both correct answers. Nice job. Okay. Good job. Okay, that was just to warm up our brains real fast. Okay, because that's going to help us a lot with what we're learning today.